Welcome to managing your contacts. Let's learn how to save, organize, and find the people you communicate with. Open the Contacts app to see your contact list. Names are organized alphabetically. Scroll or tap a letter on the right side to jump to that section. To add a new contact, tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Enter the person's name, phone number, email, and any other details you want to save. You can add multiple phone numbers and emails for one person. Label them as home, work, or mobile so you know which to use. Add a photo to help you recognize contacts quickly. Tap Add Photo, then choose Take Photo to use your camera, or choose Photo from your library. To edit an existing contact, tap their name to open their card, then tap Edit in the top right corner. Make your changes and tap Done to save. To delete a contact, open their card, tap Edit, scroll to the bottom, and tap Delete Contact. Confirm by tapping Delete Contact again. Your contacts sync automatically with iCloud. This means they appear on all your Apple devices and are backed up safely in case you lose your phone. Your contact list is now organized and synced. Having good contacts makes calling and texting so much easier.